Hello everybody, I'm Chef Pasquale and we make today fusilli with a hot Italian sausage and cauliflower. And we put 2 garlic over here. Garlic is really good for you. In Italy, I was eat garlic all day. In the farm, forget about it. And we start to saute the sausage. We load the flame, because I don't want to burn the sausage, because I want the sausage to be really nice. When I put the wine, I like the wine to go oh, look how nice. And now it's the time of the cauliflower. The fusilli gotta cook for 10 minutes. All right. And make sure to use a lot of water. A lot of people said to me, Pasquale, why my pasta stick together? Stick together, you cook the pasta with no water. You need the water. Okay. You work over here, it's hot. I make the sauce, it's hot. Like this, a little wine and cool you off. See, I feel much better. Okay, now, fusilli. Wow. It's a little dry. Make sure they keep a little water, the pasta water, and like this. Now I want to shred some pecorino cheese. And you see, nice, cremoso. Little parsley from my garden. Oh, look at this. So good. Salute cin cin everybody. E salute cin cin for you, Rachel, right?
Chin chin to my friend Pasquale. Hi.
I don't got no wine.
Where's your wine?
Over here.
Ah!
Salute cin cin.
Salute.
Boom. A salute.
Pasquale, you have just gotten more and more popular over the last several years.
It's the age.
No, I think it's your personality. You have no age. You seem childlike in a beautiful way.
Good, good, thank you.
How does it feel for you to do this work for people and know that 1 million people across your platforms watch you?
I'm so happy. I never was happy like that. Everybody like me.
Especially me.